2021 ended up being a busy year. But after months of getting back in nature, we ended up right back where we started, with our friends in Joshua Tree. Unlike the spring, on this trip, we kind of just let the kids run wild through the park's granite landscape. Maybe the most important thing we learned over the year was that we could make that choice. That sometimes it's better to run wild. That was certainly true throughout all of 2021. Getting back in nature wasn't just for 2021. It's who we are. 2022, here we come.